Hello, my name is Steve Kristen. I work for the Poudre Fire Authority as the Assistant Fire Marshal in charge of inspection services. I'm here today with
Kathy Martin. I'm the House Director of Zeta Tau Alpha at Colorado State University.
And our purpose today is to film a video that has the instructions and the requirements of the fire code for fire drills in fraternities and sororities, and just briefly review the simple steps and those requirements and duties that you'll be responsible for. Okay, Kathy, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the evacuation drill procedures that are listed right here. There's 5 simple steps, and we'll go through them together, okay?
That'll be great.
All right, our first step, since we're at the fire alarm panel, the first step is to call the monitoring company to ensure that the monitoring company does not call the dispatch center when they get the alert. So where is your phone number for your monitoring company?
Okay, I have made a sticker. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I placed a sticker that I made on my label maker right here.
Great.
That shows the name of my alarm company, the number to call, the account number, and our PIN number, which they'll ask for.
And that's great because you're going to need all that information. So,
shall I do that now?
Yeah, let's go ahead and call them.
Thank you for calling ADT Commercial to perform your system test. Site phone number.
Oh, site phone number they're asking for.
My site phone number?
Yeah. So maybe.
Okay. Oh, 970.
Yeah, the PIN. Yeah. Good. So we're just.
Following system type for your site. My system at address 1225 Baystone Drive. Is this your site? Press 1 for yes. Press 2 for no. This system will be placed on test for 1 hour. Press 1 to confirm.
Yeah.
Press 2 to cancel. This system will successfully placed on test. Thank you and have a good day. And
Good.
your call will be disconnected.
Great, we're done with that. So very good. So what did they require? Your phone number, right?
Right, not my account number.
Yeah, your phone number and then your PIN was
Right.
what they required, ADT. Sometimes it's your account number, sometimes it's your phone number. So very good. So you're on test right now for an hour, which is great because that means the monitoring company will not call our dispatch center. So now what we're going to do is we're going to call our non-emergency line, our dispatch center non-emergency line.
Okay.
And that's this number right here. So that is 970, yep, 221-6540. Okay, and what we're going to ask them, you're going to tell them who you are, your address, and to...
You've reached Fort Collins Fleet Services. If you have an emergency, hang up and dial 911.
That's it,
If you need
non-emergent.
Transfer your call.
Yeah, non-emergent, yep. Number 7.
This is great.
Hello, this is Kathy Martin. I'm the House Director at Zeta Tau Alpha at 1225 Baystone. I'm going to have a fire drill, and I need you to know about that, so don't help me.
Don't send any fire engines. PFA is on
Alright,
site.
If you could just verify the address, make sure I have it right.
1, 2.
And do you know when you'll be done?
No more than an hour will take.
Okay, just let us know when you are.
Okay, we'll do. We'll call you back.
Okay, thank you so much.
You bet. Bye-bye. So you called your monitoring company and you gave them your phone number and your PIN. You called the non-emergency number and pressed number 7 for non-emergency issues and told them your location, your name, your phone number, and they would like you to call back when you're done with the drill.
Right.
Okay, so that's number 1 and 2. Okay, number 3 is after the drill is completed, we will reset the fire alarm.
Okay.
Okay, so we're not there quite yet. So let's activate the fire alarm, go through the drill, and then we'll get to number 3, okay? We're going to activate the pull station to set off the alarm. we just silenced the fire alarm. Now we're going to reset the pull station. And all we do is we use the same key to open the panel, to reset the pull station. And it's reset. Now we're going to go out and have our discussion with our group. What we learned, you said that the key is the same, right?
Yes.
For your panel and for the pull station.
Yes.
So when I pulled it, it activated it, right? When you put the key in, it resets automatically. When you turn the key, it'll reset it automatically. Then you just shut the door, it's ready to go.
I see.
Okay?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Any other questions?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Just to conclude, thanks for being with us. These are the simple steps to accomplish your fire drill, and you can access these instructions at poudre-fire.org. Thanks so much.
And thank you for coming, and I think you answered my questions, and I think I represent others who would be giving a fire drill that had not done it before.
Absolutely.
I think you covered everything. Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. You're welcome. You did great.